Hi everyone, talking a little bit about blocks, and I have a couple of tricks because I see some of you were struggling finding P waves in terms of the AV blocks. So I just wanted to share one little trick about mapping P waves across the strip or finding the P waves within the strip. So let me proceed. So if you can see this, I'm sorry it's a little bit far away, but if you take an edge of a piece of paper, and if you can mark or identify all the P waves that you know for sure are P waves, for instance, this one here, I'll mark that. This one here, this one, maybe this one, and maybe a couple more that you see for sure. Okay. The one thing to remember with AV blocks is that the P waves are regular. So the P to P interval is regular. So you can see you end up with the paper looking like this. You see the hash marks on it. So you can see it looks a little bit irregular. So here's the trick. If you were to fold this piece of paper and match up these marks, okay. So can you see the crease in the paper? Now on that crease, I'm going to put another arrow. Okay. And similarly, in this gap here, I'll do the same thing where I will match up those edges together, or those hash marks, the P waves that I found earlier. Fold. And again, the crease is halfway between these two hash marks. Okay, and I'll put another arrow. Okay, now you can see that you have hash marks across the page that are something a little more regular. If you lay it down, again, back onto your strip. Okay, can you see that the P waves on top of the T become apparent? And as I slide it down and line up the marks that I've made, again, you can see another P wave becomes apparent on top of the T wave, as well as this one. Okay, so I hope that helps a little bit when you're searching for P waves. I'll do another short little video about finding P waves in a third degree. So this right here, this one's going to be a Mobitz 2, and you can see that the PR interval is regular on all of them. If I mark that one as well. Okay, so I'll measure the PR interval there, this one, as well as that one. Okay, so the differential diagnosis between Mobitz 1 and Mobitz 2. Mobitz 2 will have a constant PR interval. Okay, so thanks, and I hope that helps.